Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In this video, we'll be showcasing some modern revolutionary garden tools that will make your gardening experience easier, faster and more enjoyable. The ABEC 170 is an excellent choice for gardening as it can be equipped with various attachments such as mower, cultivator and plows. Its compact size and maneuverability makes it perfect for working in tight space, while its powerful engine ensures efficient operation even on steep terrains. The Makita UD 2500 is a powerful electric garden shredder designed to cut and shred branches, leaves and other gardening waste. With a 2500 watt motor and 45 mm cutting capacity, it can quickly and efficiently process large quantities of garden waste. The Trilo ST is a specialized machine used for cleaning and maintaining outdoor areas. This machine, equipped with a powerful suction system, it can collect and remove large quantities of leaves from lawn, path and other outdoor surfaces. Gardena robotic lawn mower is an autonomous machine designed to keep your lawn trimmed and well maintained. It uses advanced sensor and algorithm to navigate your lawn, cutting the grasses in a random pattern, adjusting the cutting height to match the growth of the grass. The Garden Groom Pro is a revolutionary gardening tool designed to make hedge trimming and cleanup a breeze. With its lightweight design and ergonomic handle, the Garden Groom Pro is perfect for both commercial and residential use.